Welcome back to Horizon Site Pro. Today we're going to go over purchase orders. Now there's two different ways to do this. There is purchase orders in the financial tab at the top, and this is company wide, and you can apply it to a project from here. You can also do a purchase order from within a project, and then it will automatically apply directly to that project and you don't have to select it. That's over in this section here across the bar within the project. But we'll do it from the general tab. Now create a new purchase order. You can have your own PO number, or you can leave it blank to auto generate it. You have to have a name. I'm just going to use some lumber here, and then you can pick which job is associated with. I'm going to choose Smith acreage. Now again, if you're within the Smith acreage project, then it's generated automatically for the project, but here, because we're outside of the projects, we have to pick where it's going. Add our line item. Now if you have some cost codes already created, you can do it off of that, or you can just have your name here for the line item. You can enter your financial information. If you did have a cost code, it would auto-populate these numbers based on what you've applied before. To see more information on cost codes, check out that video. Now we're going to add just $4 for both. Keep it simple. 100 pieces. You can have no taxes, or we can pick from a different combination. Taxes apply automatically. You'll have description. You don't have to enter anything there. You can also have an internal note, so only internal users can see this. Subs, vendors, clients can't see this. And you have your total here. Below that, you have your approval deadline. You can mark amount paid. You can have internal notes for the PO as a total. You can have a payment deadline. You can have your date paid. A lot of information here. You can assign users to it. You can put a lot of detail into a PO. Most of it isn't required if you don't want to. Just the name for both the overall as well as the line item is required, as well as which project are you associated with. We can then hit create purchase order. It will generate it. Here it is, so we can now delete it. We can view it, or we can edit it. If you edit it, it takes you back into the screen. Change any information that you want to. We can go back, and this is viewing it now. Has all the details. We can approve it, we can mark it as complete and whatnot. If we went into the Smith acreage project, we're on purchase orders here, and here it is showing up as well. Because even though we generated it outside of the project, we assigned it to the project, so it will show up here. We can now delete this PO if we don't need it. That's as simple as that. Thanks again, Horizon Site Pro.